How y'all doing today? It's Monty with MPK, and it's hammer time. I'm in Austin, Texas, Pflugerville, Texas, here with WPI. Just wanted to show you a little bit about their inventory and how hammers are getting bigger, baby. Everybody wants a big hammer. Right here, GH23, and they have sold numerous GH30s. Impressive lineup of new hammers getting ready to go on machines and go to work. So if you want to maximize your production and maximize your return on investment, buy MPK. Experience the difference. MPK is #1 in customer support. Thank you.